Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock games and sign in on your Xbox Series X. So maybe you're trying to launch a game and it says the person who bought this needs to sign in and you're not able to play that game because it's locked for you. Now to do this, you need to switch accounts and log into the person's account that bought that specific game. So let's go to our profile right here and then go to add or switch. And then switch to that person's account. So mine would be Timbo Slice. So once you go to that person's account, you want to go up to the top and go to settings right here. Then you want to go to general, go right to personalization, then go to my home Xbox and make this my home Xbox on that specific account. So the one account that is buying all games and that is buying Xbox Game Pass, you want to make this my home Xbox so you can share games and Game Pass to all other accounts on your Xbox. So check mark right here. You should be good to go. Go back to your other account now and then sign in and you should be able to play that specific game. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.